If you're seeing a file access error on the Epic Games launcher, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes to get everything running again. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be solved by closing the launcher properly, restarting it with the right permissions, and verifying the game files so Epic can repair anything that's missing or corrupted. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Let's get straight into it. First, we want to fully close anything related to Epic Games or the game itself. Sometimes the launcher or the game is still running in the background, and that can trigger a file access error. So press Ctrl, Shift, and S to open Task Manager. If you're on Windows, this is the fastest way to see what's still active on your PC. In Task Manager, look through the list of running apps and background processes for anything related to the game you're trying to launch, as well as Epic Games Launcher. If you find either one running, right-click it and select End Task. Do this for every Epic-related process you see, and also for the game itself if it's listed. This makes sure there are no stuck processes blocking file access in the background. Once that's done, close Task Manager and go back to your desktop. Now comes the next important step, running Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to access files properly, especially if Windows has been limiting access in the background. Find your Epic Games Launcher shortcut, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The launcher should now open with elevated access. Once Epic Games Launcher is open, go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the file access error. Next to the game title, click the three dots for more options. From the menu, select Manage, and then click Verify. This tells Epic to scan the game styles and check for anything broken, missing, or locked. If there's a damaged file causing the error, the launcher will repair it automatically. Let the verification process finish completely. Depending on the game size, this may take a few minutes. When it's done, Epic will either fix the issue or confirm that everything is in place. After that, close the launcher and relaunch it again to test the game. In many cases, this is all you need to do to fix the file access error. If the game still doesn't open properly, repeat the launch as administrator one more time and try starting the game again from the library. Sometimes the combination of ending background tasks, running the launcher with admin permissions, and verifying the files is enough to clear the problem completely. So to recap, the fix is simple. End any running Epic or game processes in Task Manager. Run Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Verify the game files, and then relaunch the game to see if the error is gone. These steps solve the issue for most users without needing anything more advanced. If this tutorial helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy PC and gaming troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.